Hello. Have you imported a BMW car from abroad? They asked you a certificate of conformity of your BMW in order to complete the registration procedures? In this tutorial I will try to explain to you what the COC is, what information the BMW COC contains, and why it is essential for the registration of a vehicle imported from abroad. Of course, I will also tell you where you can order it, how to get the certificate of conformity, and when you can receive it if you order it through our company EuroCoc. The certificate of conformity for the BMW brand, often called the Declaration of Conformity, or the homologation certificate, confirms that the vehicle in question complies with the European regulations, and therefore can be registered in any country of the European Union without further controls. The COC is issued by an official representative of the brand, and contains the safety signs that make the certificate official and valid for registration. In general, the certificate of conformity contains 51 technical data of the vehicle. These parameters reflect the original condition of the vehicle as it left the factory. The COC mentioned data, such as the VIN number, European approval number, manufacturer details, color of the vehicle, number of seats, emission values, and many other vehicle data. Are you asking if you really need this certificate, or can you proceed without it? Mostly the certificate of conformity is described as an inevitable document for the registration of a foreign car. It is required to certify compliance with the European homologation standards, and then to issue a new valid and complete registration certificate. Many times the technical data written in the previous registration certificate is not sufficient for vehicle registration in another country, so the COC also serves to complete the technical profile of the vehicle, and then to fill in the registration certificate in the new country of registration. We recommend you to order the COC of your BMW through our company by making the request on the web, www.eurococ.eu, as we have over 13 years of experience in this field, and we have a wide network of suppliers who allow us to supply our clients with the COC in the easiest way possible. Once you complete the order via online form, which honestly takes you less than 5 minutes, you just have to wait the processing time of 7 working days. As soon as the COC comes to our office, it will be shipped to you via UPS courier. We offer various types of shipping and it is completely up to you which one you choose. There is the economic one which takes 3 to 7 business days, or there are the faster ones which can take only 1 business day. Then, we also have the possibility to scan the document as soon as it comes to us. This can help you anticipate the paperwork and begin the registration process even before the paper COC arrives. However, you have to check if the registration office accepts the scan of the COC to start the process, because not all of them do so. If you have another more specific question, or if you need our help, do not hesitate to contact us and we will be happy to assist you.